Welcome to Elite Data. This video is about toothpaste brands from different countries. Oxygenol from Finland, Signal from Germany, Elgidium from France, Airsun from China, Medicom from Pakistan, Formula from Indonesia, Sentinel from Greece, PS from Vietnam, Sorriso from Brazil, Ciptadent from Indonesia, Doc Buaku from Thailand, Zendium from Netherlands, Pearly White from Singapore, Sensodyne from United Kingdom, Belendi Ahmed from Germany, Tepthai from Thailand, Pomorin from Bulgaria, Forest Balm from Russia, Piero from Spain, Mentadent P from South Africa, Close Up from United States, Cudo from Portugal, Bentadent from Spain, Ape from Philippines, Green Beaver from Canada, Pepsodent from United States, Darlai from Taiwan, Pasta del Capitano from Italy, Parodontax from Germany, Oral-B from United States, Lion from Japan, Colgate from United States, Pirioe Total 7 from South Korea, Metaplus DS from Bangladesh,